How to turn off login notifications on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to turn off login notifications on Facebook. Without further ado, let's begin. Launch Facebook app on your device and make sure you are on the home screen. Log in to your account. Navigate to three-line menu icon at top right corner. Scroll down. Select Setting and Privacy and choose Settings option. Now tap See More in Account Center at top of your screen. Now select Passport and Security under Account Settings. Tap on Login Alerts option and choose your Facebook account. After that, when you reach on this login alert section, you simply need to uncheck enough notifications. This will turn off login notifications on Facebook. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.